This video is courtesy of our friends at Autoabc.shop.
Introducing the Autoabc wireless Carplay adapter, designed specifically for Toyota Touch 2 and Entune 2.0 system. This incredible device is suitable for more than 90% of Toyota models from 2014 to 2019, making it a versatile choice for Toyota owners. With its support for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, this adapter brings a whole new level of connectivity to your Toyota. You can now seamlessly integrate your iPhone or Android device with your car's infotainment system, allowing you to access your favorite apps, make calls, and navigate with ease. One of the standout features of this adapter is its support for screen mirroring. Whether you have an Apple or Android phone, you can enjoy lag-free mirror linking via a wired connection. This means you can effortlessly display your phone's screen on your car's touchscreen, making it convenient to use your favorite apps while on the go. Not only does this adapter support screen mirroring, but it also comes equipped with USB playback and online navigation. You can now enjoy your downloaded music and videos via USB, making long drives more enjoyable. Additionally, the online navigation feature ensures that you never get lost on your journey. Safety is also a top priority with this adapter. It supports both front and rear view cameras, allowing you to use your original or aftermarket reverse camera with parking sensors. This gives you added confidence when maneuvering your vehicle. Furthermore, the support for voice control lets you activate Siri Assistant simply by saying, "Hey Siri," keeping your hands on the wheel and your focus on the road. No need to worry about compatibility, as this adapter works seamlessly with most apps. Whether you're using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, you can expect a smooth and intuitive experience. The touchscreen control feature further enhances usability, making it easy to navigate through menus and access your desired functions. So enhance your driving experience with the Autoabc wireless CarPlay adapter. It not only provides convenience and connectivity, but also adds a touch of fun and excitement to your everyday journeys. So say goodbye to outdated infotainment systems and embrace the future of in-car technology.
Thank you for watching this video. You can find a link to this model and many other fantastic products. Visit the site and don't forget to use our 10% off code.